Methods of drying the bamboo, or how to dry a bamboo. Regardless of which drying method is used, the bamboo should be properly harvested so that it doesn't split during the drying process. Only cut down bamboo stalks, also known as culms, that have been growing for at least 3 to 5 years. It takes this long for the plant to fully harden. Once hardened, the bamboo will shrink less when dried, and it will not be as easy for insects to bore into the plant. Important factors when drying bamboo. It is most important to keep the culms away from direct soil contact to prevent fungal or insect attacks and to avoid the humidity of the soil affecting the drying process. It is recommended that only mature bamboo culms over 2 years are used to avoid collapsing of the bamboo poles due to excessive and non-uniform shrinkage of the culm. Remove infected culms from the storage area. Avoid rapid changes in moisture content. For example, by drying round bamboo in direct sunlight for a prolonged time, this can cause cracks in the bamboo poles. Split bamboos do not pose any problems and can be dried in the open sun. For uniform drying, the bamboo poles should be rotated in the longitudinal direction every 15 days. 3 methods of drying the bamboo. Number 1. Air drying. Air drying is the most common method because it is simple and cost-effective. Store the vertical stacks of bamboo in a cool and shady area. This allows evaporation to occur slowly enough that cracks and splits do not form. Alternately, store the culms horizontally on racks that allows air circulation around the stacks. Rotate the bamboo every 2 weeks. This method requires 6 to 12 weeks to fully dry the bamboo, depending on the size and the moisture content of the culms. Number 2. Kiln drying. Kiln oven drying is at the present level of drying technology not recommended for round bamboos. Even under mild drying conditions, higher temperatures can enhance the incidence of cracking and collapse. Split bamboos, however, can easily be kiln over dried. Number 3. Soaking bamboo in water. Another method for drying bamboo is to first soak the culms in water. Before placing the culms in water, pierce each of the nodes so water can soak into all parts of the bamboo poles. Completely submerge the bamboo in running water or a tank. Put heavy boards or rock on top to keep the bamboo submerged and soak for 12 weeks to completely saturate the plants. Then, place the bamboo in a sunny area to dry. When storing the culms in a tank, change the water weekly to prevent bacterial and algae growth. You can also add borax, boric acid, or other preservatives to the water. Soaking protects the bamboo from insects as it dries. Acid leaches out starches that the insects would normally eat. It also saturates the plant with water, evening out the moisture content. So, as the bamboo dries, the water evaporates evenly and slowly, which can prevent cracking and splitting even in hotter weather. And that's all for my report. Thank you for listening. God bless.